2021, and now your final match, Revolution 2024, and we are proud to be a part of Sting's great career. Fans, it was 35 years ago, that on this network, TBS, Sting put it on the map. Sting put professional wrestling on the map on TBS. And I'm so thrilled about being a part of it. I really am. It elevated him to the icon that he is now. And you've heard us talk about it all week, that Tony Khan had a very special gift to, absolutely, thank you, Sting. That Tony Khan has a very special gift for Sting. And I'm proud to bring out that special gift right now.
Well, what is it? Do you have any idea? What the hell? Wait a minute. No way. Hold on. No way. It's got to be a joke.
Nature Boy!
The Nature Boy Ric Flair! Oh my God, what a, talk about Tony Khan giving a gift. He goes in big. That's Nate! Oh man, royalty's in the house. A man who, I mean, is so interwoven with Sting's career. Sting has moved, man, emotionally. You can see his face. What a moment! The Nature Boy, Ric Flair. So much history, as you said. I'll never forget that Clash of the Champions match. It put Sting on the map. He referenced it, thanks to Flair. Wow, what a shocker. Of course, long history between Ric Flair and Tony Schiavone as well. No kidding.
Yeah, damn right, you can say it. 35 years ago, Ric Flair and Sting on TBS made TBS wrestling really what it was and what it is still today, 35 years ago. Nature Boy! Welcome to AEW.
You know that in life, there are moments that are magical. They're few and they're far between. And that's the magic of the chemistry of whatever you do in life that makes you the best. 35 years ago, this gentleman and I set history on TBS. First Clash of Champions against WrestleMania. And brother, I've told him this when I inducted him in the Hall of Fame, to go 55 minutes in a match 35 years ago or tonight is hard. He never took a deep breath. He lived up to all the potential, and he is not only one of the greatest wrestlers in the history of our business, one of the biggest celebrities, but damn it, he's probably the nicest guy I've ever known. So when I got an invitation, and I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart, when I got an invitation from Tony, Mr. Khan, to come and be part of this band, I want to be right all the way till, is it March, I guess? Damn it, that time flies, brother. If you'll have me, man, I want to ride the wagon with you, man. I want to ride it out with you. Woo! Woo!
Oh, he's getting warmed up. Here we go. Keep your clothes on,
Woo!
Rick.
Yeah! Woo!
Oh, now come on. Is there no moment this man won't ruin? Well, we don't know. I mean, maybe Christian's coming out here to say something nice. He knows Rick, to say something nice to Ric Flair or Sting. I mean, probably not a shot, but maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, I guess all things are possible, Tez. I stand corrected.
Yeah, but you might be right.
So, Tony Khan is a billionaire, and this is the gift that he gives to Sting for his retirement, huh? This is the gift. So Tony basically, Sting, he basically gave you a suit, some gold chains, and a black liver. Great gift. But I gotta say, Rick, it's really impressive how you're moving around out here. I don't feel like I'm watching Weekend at Bernie's at all. I mean, you can't even see the puppet strings. You look great. Relax. Relax, people, relax. I know Ric Flair is not dead. Relax. I also know there's not a God, because if there were a God, Ric Flair would have been dead 20 years ago. Now, the real reason I'm out here
We are in Philadelphia.
The real reason why I'm out here is because last week, Sting and Darby Allin decided to stick their nose in my business yet again. Darby, how's your arm feeling? You still have some sour grapes that I beat you at Wrestle Dream in your hometown, huh? Well, I'll give you one more chance. And Philadelphia, it's something that your Phillies couldn't get done either. So go ahead and take a look at something that you will never be, a champion. Now, it's obvious that this situation isn't going to go away until I make it go away. So this is my proposition to you two. Now, I know, Sting, you have this beautiful dream in your head that you want to make it to Revolution because you started with AEW at Revolution in 2021. You've got this beautiful picture painted for yourself, but I see it a little bit differently. You see, I don't want to wait until Revolution for you to be gone. I want you gone right now. So I'm saying there's three of us, and when I look in that ring, I see the two of you and I see Ric Flair. Hey, you can take Ric Flair as a partner if you want. I mean, he's one super kick away from his pacemaker kicking out and him turning into dust. But hey, I'm saying at Full Gear, get yourselves a partner, and your retirement is going to come early, and it's not going to be a big celebration. It's going to be more like a funeral. Now somebody hit the champ's music. I said hit my music!
Wait, hold on. Oh.
Oh, shoot!
Oh. I'm sorry, I'm allergic to jackasses. Okay. First of all, Darby and I, we're gonna find a partner, and second of all, we accept your challenge. See you there.
Well, the challenge has been accepted. Sting